They're big boy jumps. He's clearing them though. Oh. Wow. Oh yeah, getting a little bit of air. Wow. I'm slowing down a little bit because...
In my earlier video, you saw me exploring the jump line in the area and just looking things over. In this video, I'll do more exploring, more running on the jump line, and breaking off into the park to see what's new there. There was some new stuff there, and I didn't get a chance to explore all of it, but I did explore some of it, so let's check it out.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get this stuff up. Nope. I can get that easy. Yeah, I'm just slowing down. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh, coming through. There's a bunch of people behind me. This is just a little creepy. Okay, there we go. Got it.
With the crowd coming on full force at this point in time, holy cow, there's a lot of people here. I decided to break away from the crowds and go and explore the trails in the park. That was a very good choice, as you'll see here in a moment.
Holy buckets. I'll let everybody go by me because I'm going slow. This is Ravine Rush. Boy, everybody's just flying by me today. It's because they're like 3 times younger than me. Okay, interesting. Shortcut to mushrooms, wrong way. So they rebuilt a bunch of stuff, but this is all the same to me. I was here once, and that looks like that's an old trail, and this is a new trail. Yeah, this is new here, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is new. So I'm going to enjoy some of the other new stuff here while everybody and their cousins, aunts, sisters, bananas. Oh, this is nice. Oh yeah, check it out. It's a little jump. I could, of course, have took the small one. I could totally have sent that. But some of this is new. For sure. So does it not drop down below anymore? Super fun trail. Well, now I know. I'll come back here sometime. Yeah, this is the part that drops. Yeah, there's one piece of this trail I never did. And now there's new stuff, so I'm not even sure. Yeah, this is the part that drops. Yep. Oh. And I don't remember. Whoa! Coming up behind you here. It's a little rough first time. She's hung up on that rock back there.
That's what I figured.
Yeah, it scared me the first time too. Touche. Now this part here, if I was to go right, which would be the wrong way, that's the part I don't think I ever did. This, yeah, this is all new here. Fresh cut, like super fresh cut. Wow, I'm really worn out. You guys are on e-bikes. That makes sense. Have fun. In case you're wondering, yes, this is now my new favorite. Absolutely my new favorite. Three Rivers Park. Absolutely. I will be coming back up here again. I don't know when. Sometime. Yeah, see, they call it Ravine Rush because it rushes along the ravine. I mean, I'm on the other side of the ravine going the other way now. It's like, whoa, jump time, not crash time, please. Whoa, holy bananas. That was a drop, like nobody's business. Yeah. There's a lot more trail here now. A lot more trail. And I'm not gonna explore it all because I'm just way too wasted. I might run this battery dry right here. I feel like I did that already. Yeah, there's like a kind of a blind jump right here. I manualed it in my own manualistic way. Yeah, folks, I think I'm done today. I am just so burned out. But if you're looking for some sweet single track that has a place that has everything you ever want, this is your place. Absolutely. Okay, so what the heck? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This or not. Oh yeah, these are jumps. Wow! Holy bananas! No! Oh, I cleared that one just as I came up to you. No, I cleared it. I'm fine. Thank you. You're fine. Now, does that go back?
Yeah.
Where does this go? Good answer. Fresh battery rerun on the jump line here. Oh yeah, piece of cake. A little bit of brakes. Oh yeah. Whoa, pretty sweet. Yeah, those are sweet jumps. I didn't quite get that first one. That first was a little sloppy. Welcome to day 2. Yeah, I could spend 2 days here easily. So this is the part of the trail I never did. I'm gonna do this kind of slowly. It's gonna go back. And I'm going to come back in under the bike park, I think, again.
I'm saving Raptor's Ridge and maybe the other part of Ravine Rush for the next time I go. Try to hit those first. There's a lot of new stuff there, too. I just didn't get down there. I went and ended up going back up to the bike park. But I did find some new stuff on Paradise, and that's where we'll end it. Until next time.
Well, I hope you enjoyed my time here. I would be running the stuff like crazy if I had a little more energy. And it's a new section. Yeah, this is new. This is a new section. Bypass. I'm not sure what it does. Bypass. 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 Pretty sweet new section. I like it. No jumps, but that's okay. Yeah, where the hell am I going? This is not Paradise. Yeah, this is definitely a new loop. That's gonna be my thing now. I'm just gonna be doing downhills. I'm here. my career goes downhill. Well, as long as it's a jump line with... Oh, this is actually pretty cool. I like it. So far it's been very nice. Nice new loop. Oh no! Now we're going to go downhill. Keep your speed up. Keep your speed up. Yeah, that's an extended loop. They extended it. It actually came out right here before. So I don't think I have that stupid climb that I never could do. Now watch, it'll be right up here.